Good evening. My name is Brittany Wood, and I am the choir director at McNabb Middle School. Thank you so much for coming out and to support your AMS, now MMS choir, for our final pop show of the year. Let's see here. This will be a relatively short concert, no longer than an hour, so please refrain from leaving during the performance as to not discourage our singers. The choirs and I thank you in advance. With that being said, please rise for your national anthem, sung by your MMS 7th and 8th grade treble choir.